Raise the bar on condo living at Elevate, the new luxury condos rising 15 stories in Kitchener. This active condo community is surrounded by countless parks and green space, golf clubs, biking trails, ski resorts, and well-groomed walking and hiking paths. Relax with amenities like a state-of-the-art fitness center, yoga studio, theater, games room, and podium lounge. Elevate is a stone's throw from the busy urban center of downtown Kitchener. Waterloo region is one of the fastest-growing tech ecosystems in the world, home to established giants and exciting startups. Like-minded, active people are coming together to build a strong, pet-friendly community. Live your best life and feel connected at Elevate.